So, hello, my name is Shreya and this is my portfolio. Um, this is just the introduction page. You can see over here. I told you I was always drawn into classical stuff. So there's the tabla, there is swar, there is the sitar, and I've written classic over here. So this is just my idea. I've put it on a paper. This is Madhubani. These are all my ideas. The borders of a Madhubani painting, how it should be. So these are just a few of them. This is just my pencil work, the plain just. So over here, I chose to take some elements and define life. So I drew a bottle half filled with water. It means the way you look at life, and it can be either half empty or half full. And the clock is always ticking. So here's the time. So you need change and you need to adapt to change. So that's my idea over here. And life cannot always be a bed of roses. So there are roses and there are thorns on one side. So this is
very profound, I must say. Really nice. Okay.
Thank you. This is paper inspired, just a dress. So when you crumple a paper, something like this comes up, and so I made a design of it. This is live in the details. Just don't overlook something because of what it looks like, because of its outer cover. So that was the main idea which I focused on. These are just my sketches, a few. This is another one. Just with color in the pencil, something like that. This is like my water painting colors and everything. This is knife painting over here.
Knife painting.
Yeah.
And you've done all of this at home, huh?
Yeah, I've done it all at home. The knife painting, I took some lessons on YouTube.
Okay.
So yeah, and I did this while traveling because this was very much in at that time, the owl thing.
It was everyone accessories,
yes,
bags,
everywhere. This is just a character I made like that. So, and another cartoonish. This is very much Tumblr because it was like this age where every girl wanted, to draw such stuff. It was just like a patch. So it is one of them. These are just some wall hanging kind of stuff. So I painted this. This is my water painting. This is actually I drew Gandhiji turning, and this is the flag and our Marathi newspaper. So behind this, the ideology is that how people are, following the Western culture as such, and they are like not giving that much support to Indian culture. So it's just a reminder to that people in abroad are actually learning yoga and not eating KFC food, but over here it's like the opposite that's going on. So we need to support our culture. This is I've done this with the cotton buds that is. So yeah, and this is just my pen art. It says love like it matters. This word has inspired me a lot. Chrysalis.
Chrysalis. What does it mean?
It means that when a caterpillar it turns into a butterfly.
Yeah.
So the entire process of a caterpillar turning into such a beautiful creature after coming out of it, and it needs the support that it gives because of the outer shell, the covering as such, and it requires a lot of strength actually, because if in that process itself many of them die just trying, but then the process of trying and reaching till there is chrysalis. So this is what the This is the meaning. This is just a girl. It's like it's a beautiful world out there, but then you need to see. You need to take the
You've written
opportunity.
this?
Yeah, it's inspired. Like out of this quote, I've written this.
Okay.
So it's like it seems scary at first to actually adapt the change as such, but you know, you need to believe your instincts. Sometimes you do, and you need to stop thinking logically at one point and just follow your heart. So it's that, and also that there is no right time and there is no wrong time. You just make a choice, and whatever choice you've made, you just make it right. Something like that. So I've concluded like no better time than now. So like that I've concluded. This is just a collage that I made, and this is the fabric painting that I did, and there's the dream catcher.
You made this.
Yeah, I made this.
Very nice.
This is all YouTube. It helped
A lot
me
of
a lot.
YouTube tutorials, huh, you've
Yeah.
taken. Great.
I want to see that whole typography that she did. That was-
Chrysalis wala.
No, उससे पहले था.
No,
This one.
yeah.
Oh yes.
Love like it matters.
How long did you take to create this?
I took one day. I was actually in an ashram, so they were explaining us about, you know, serving people and how not to take things for granted when people are actually helping you. So you shouldn't be selfish at that time. You should actually help them out. And so I wrote this thing.
Which ashram was this?
This is Chinmayanand Ashram, Vibhuti.
Yeah.
So,
Okay. Very nice.